Discover the best times to visit the Empire State Building with these 7 insider tips for a perfect experience. Standing at 1,454 feet tall, the iconic skyscraper offers breathtaking views of New York City. Avoid the crowds and long waits by visiting during the recommended times. From sunrise to sunset to after dark, each time of day offers a unique perspective of the city. Early birds can catch the sunrise experience from April to October for a magical start to the day. Midweek mornings are ideal for smaller crowds, especially on Tuesdays and Wednesdays between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. Lunchtime lulls provide a hidden gem for clearer views without the rush. Sunset offers a spectacular light show, while night visits give a different perspective of the illuminated city. Each season brings a unique experience, from clear skies in spring to snow-covered views in winter. Special events like Valentine's Day and Halloween offer once-in-a-lifetime experiences atop the Empire State Building. Check the official website for upcoming events and plan accordingly for a memorable visit. Make the most of your trip by following these insider tips and unlocking the secrets of NYC's most famous skyscraper. Whether you prefer early mornings or late nights, there's a perfect time waiting for you at the top of this iconic landmark. Don't let crowds dampen your experience. Plan ahead and enjoy the stunning views of the Big Apple from above.